Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Samir. In this video I'm going to reset this maintenance required sign for 2011 Toyota Corolla S model. It could be a similar for most of the Toyotas. To begin this one, you are looking at the mileage. This is the regular mileage. When you press this little switch or things down, you're gonna see the trip A. So you're gonna make it a trip A. When you have a trip A, just turn the vehicle completely off. And after that, you only need to turn this key on position, and at the same time you're going to hold these things down. You're holding these things down and putting the key on, not to start the vehicle, just the on. And let's do it. So right now I'm on. I'm holding one finger to these needles down and other one to start the vehicle. And look at this. Well, now is done. When it come to the zero, is reset for like 4,000 or whatever the mileage, and you can turn the vehicle on back. It's just the thing. It's very simple. Thank you for watching.